Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap on trades taken last week. So let's get started. Week started on the 23rd March, and this is the first trade in gold. And the buy entry was previous Friday, and I let it go for the weekend. And this is how I end up closing this one on Sunday when the market reopened. So this is the first one, gold, and then this is on the 23rd. This is all the same case. It was previously, previous Friday, the entry, and then end up here like this, 80 pip, and I close that one also on Sunday. Now here's the Monday. Then again, the game started. This is from 150 box size chart, 50 pip here on the 24th. The gold and Nasdaq from here to here, you can see 230 points on the 24th. And all of these trades are taken by the setup. Nothing is without the setup. I must have the setup before. And basically, most of these trades are opened by the CTS Live robot. So once all the conditions are there, only then this robot opens the trade. So this one also beautiful. See this small arrow here? That means that the EA opened the trade, expert advisor. So buy order is there, GJ, 100 pip. And again, same setup. And buy order is there on the 24th. UJ also went up. All yen pair that day went up big time. And I made the before and after chart on a 40-minute chart for direction. I have made that chart, those charts, and they are all on my website. You can go take a look. I think they are here somewhere. If you see that before and after chart, and you will be easily see these trades here. See, I post there. When see this GJ going to the upside, and that's where I took. This is 26, by the way. Before that, as also see this one. So 22nd is supposed to be going to the upside, and this is how it went up on the 24th, and that's where this chart, the trade that you're seeing. See this UJ and GJ, and then when they came down, I took the trades, and then when they went up, I took the trades. Right. So 40-minute chart is my direction chart. That gives me the setup that, it's a turn is about to happen. And then after the turn start, then I see my entry either on the 7-minute chart or 20-minute chart, and take it from there. So this was, and then CUJ went up for 105, EJ for 60, small because the euro was weak as well. Nasdaq went from here to here. This is from the 40-minute chart because the 30-minute I just went from the along from the bottom, and this entry was again. Was also the previous Friday. You can see the 23rd, 21st. Right, so entry was there, and then I just let it go for the weekend, and it went up like that. And this one, gold, on the 24th, coming down again, taken by the EA. This EA a little bit different. I made it a little bit different because the gold setting is a little bit different in the Renko chart, Renko candles. So this one, Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart, entry from here, 100 pip trade on the 25th. And then you can see going to the upside again, yen pairs start to go to the upside. And this is not again, but the same day, the 24th, and this one got in on the 24th. It wasn't that much, but the 25th it went up all the way. So I closed this one a day after, and still you can see that it looks like it's a big trade, but it's only 75 pip, right? And CAD yen also the next day, right? So I got pound yen, euro yen, and USD yen on the 24th. I closed those, and then these two I let them run, and then close the next day, following day, 25th. Aussie yen and CAD yen. Euro yen after that, going to the upside. Now the drop. So this is also opened by the E, 60 pip on euro yen, euro Aussie, and this is for 85 pip. And I opened the candles a little bit because I wanted to, I was teaching someone on one-on-one. So I opened these candles so that you can see that, how clearly this is a reversal candle and then one red candle and this EA opened the trade. That's how it is. And then these EMAs also need to be aligned, and this indicator need to be all the way to the upside coming down. So all of these trades, the conditions are already inside this robot, this expert advisor, and according to those conditions, according to that setup, it opens the trade. And here, Euro Aussie, right here, the trade was open here. Previous trade you already saw. Then it retraced, and then again gave me the entry, and this one was taken. So that one I closed, and then this one I closed for 75. The Nasdaq coming down from here to here, 320 pip on the 26th, and on the 27 Euro USD entry, and then this is also the entry, but my entry was already here. This was a beautiful entry as well. Even this one was an entry. So, but anyway, so this was the entry and 85 pip, right? And then GJ going to the upside on the 27th, Thursday. Look at that, beautiful trade from here to there, all the way, right? And this is because of the 27th. You can see on my website that this was yen, pound yen going to the upside, right there. This one from here it went up. You see that how it went up all the way, and then I took that trade. Okay. This one, big trade for 190. I had three entries. So this one, then I took this one for the Telegram people. I took this one and then posted on the Telegram that take it, and then I closed it for like 125. And then this entry here, it is on the 20-minute chart entry, and I took this one as well. So all three went up, and this one this one I kept for 190. This one I closed for 125. This one probably like 100 pip, and then I let this one go all for that. And you see this one. So this is a 20-minute entry, and then 20-minute chart. Open the EA opened the trade from the 20-minute chart as well. Right? I have different accounts with different computers and different time frame charts on the different computers, so they all take the trades if the setup is there. So this is for 100 pip, and then USD yen, not much, but 69 pip here. We're going to the upside on that. 27, the same thing, same setup. Gold. This one is from $1,000. So it's like a daily chart, big chart, right? So a smaller time frame was pretty messed up to record the chart. So I said, well, let me just show you that what really I was following, and then I opened the trade from the smaller time frame and end up here with 300 pip from here to here to this high. Even though this one went all the way to the upside, I wasn't expecting that, but it did. So I said, what the hell with it? Aussie yen, you can see this was the entry on the 27th. It came down here, and my SL did move for some reason, and then I got saved. Otherwise, probably this would be gone, and then my EA would take this one and end up 60, 65 pip anyway. So it's 75 pip here. CAD yen again. This one also went up for 90 pip on the 27th, and then you can see euro yen. They all start to go to the upside. Euro yen is 100 pip to the upside. And then pound yen for 115. Remember, I just told you that this was the entry, and then the second entry for the Telegram, I took this one as well, and then I took this entry from the 20-minute chart. So three entries on this pound yen that day on the 27th. And then on the 27th, pound Aussie as well. I made the chart for this one as well. Let me see if I posted on the here or not. I think I forgot to post that. I will post that as well. But yeah, I made the before chart and after, it went up there, and then, but I forgot to post. I'll post it. So one nice 40-minute chart setup, and then from 7-minute entry is there, and boom, 75 pip all the way. On the 20th, Friday, this is pound yen coming down again, and this is because of this the pound yen. See this chart here? I made this chart. It's going to come down from there to there, and this is how it came down. And I started to write here that GJ trade was taken 420 pip based on this chart, right? So it came down, and I had this trade here, 120 pip trade. Similarly, what else came down? Well, this one went up, Euro Aussie, right? So this chart, the one I made for before chart, kind of lost it. I don't know where the heck it is, but yeah, so the chart was made, and then I took the entry. I even posted on the Telegram, but I had to go someplace. So for some reason, I closed the damn thing. And I posted on the Telegram that, I'm not feeling good about the trade, and I'm closing it on break even, So I open it, but then I says, well, close it. And then I end up here, this one, I posted on the Telegram. that, to close, but I didn't close myself. I said, let me try, but I didn't want, other people to lose. I wasn't feeling good about this trade, but I posted it. But then I posted that closed the damn thing, and but I still had my SL here, and then I left, and then later on, it ended up for 90 pip anyway. So this is how on the 28th, and then USD yen coming down from here, and this chart was made here like this. USD yen right there. See this USD yen coming down here, come down here, nice and green, right? And this is the trade taken for that chart. And let me see. This is a US 30 from 20-minute chart. Here's the entry taken by the EA all the way down like this. See, whenever the tariff are on, that's it. So what happened that, a few days ago, maybe 2, 3 days ago, then Trump said, he's going to put the tariff on the auto industry, cars, for 25 pips. What happened? Nasdaq and all the indices, US 30, everything went down big time again. And I think that something big is going to happen on April 2nd as well. So be ready. Be ready for that, right? So just wanted to show you, and all yen pairs went down on Friday. Why? Because this is the chart I made. See this yen index 20-minute chart? And I said that, first I had this from here to here, and they all went up. Now this one, see that this is supposed to happen, and what's supposed to happen here? When it is coming down, this will take all yen pairs to the downside. And that's why you see that, I got, let me show you the chart. This chart end up like this. See, and I had two trades on Friday, yen trades. First was GJ, I just showed you, for 120, and then UJ 85 pair. So what really happened is that when yen index it start to drop, all yen pair goes down as well, and then if it goes to the upside, all yen pair. Now all yen pair going to the upside or downside, but I get set up maybe sometimes in, like this day, Friday, it was only two of these pair gave me the entry. Euro yen didn't give me the entry. I wasn't watching the others, but Euro yen didn't give me entry. These two gave me the entry. But sometimes what happened is the 4 or 5 pair give you the entry. If it's gonna go to the upside from here, I'll make the new chart. I'll see the analysis. I'll do the analysis, and then redo my chart, the weekly chart or the 33-minute chart of the yen index, and then I'll determine that if it's going to go from here or maybe coming all the way down to this 69.41 and the TIA, and then we're going to bounce. So if it's going to bounce to the upside, all yen pair will turn to the upside and then go to the upside, and I'll be all over them taking long entries if they show up. So this is how it is. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then you simply go on my website, and all yen pairs, everything, not yen pair, but all the trades are posted before chart and after charts are posted based on which I take the trades. See, all of these are here, and the yen index I still have to post here. The yen index I forgot, pound Aussie I forgot. It's a lot of charts. So what happened is that I started to do a daily recap where I post. I showed that what happened already on that day. And daily recap, I usually make it like 5, 6 o'clock Eastern time, 5 p.m., right, when the day is over and the new day about to start. So I recap the whole day, what happened, and then I, show and make the new chart, and then I show that in that video, and then I give it to subscribers. So if you subscribe, you're gonna get these charts, before charts, every day, whatever is available. Sometimes you have only one setup, sometimes you have 5, 6 setups, right? So including the indices, gold, and all these pairs. I don't watch too many pairs now. Very few. Euro-Aussie, pound Aussie, and then yen pairs, and pound USD and Euro USD. That's it. So maybe 10, 12 pairs, and then gold and Nasdaq, US 30, and S&P 500 sometimes. That's it. So yeah, so among these things, I usually get some of those, like beautiful, like this one, for example, gold 4-hour chart. It was supposed to be coming down from here to here for wave 4. Look what happened here, and I had some decent trade in that, right? And then usually you will see that I catch these yen pair direction very, very easy, very, very good, and then they give me a very good setup. So like this one, you see that? Gold 500 from here to here, I said it's gonna drop, and I had two trades, beautiful trade, one here and then one here. All right, so this is how it is. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful weekend, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos. Sometimes I give a very good, most of the time I give very good setups for the next day or two. Right, so this is it.